Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about importing logic information into ORCAD PCB editor. Now we're going to start lab 1, design entry HDL to PCB editor. Go to window, start all programs and go to cadence and then select project manager. The window appears. In that, navigate to the project 1 directory. From the PCB designer, go to project 1 and there project1.cpm and click open. The design entry window, you can see the design entry here. In this, click design entry. The DHDL tool starts and a schematic appears. Click OK if you get any warnings to proceed. Use the zoom in and zoom out icons to explore the schematic pages. There are 2 pages to the schematic. You can use previous page and next page icons to see the pages. Now go to select file and export physical from the design entry HDL. A window appears. In that, make sure the input board file and output board file are placed in the same folder. Now go to directory to open the board, master board. Click open. A new window appears. Make sure the input board and output board are in the same. The file is exported and it's successfully completed. Now view the results. The result file you can see clearly. Scroll the mouse to check the results. Click close the window. Now go to file and exit. Now go to layout, the unplaced.project board appears. Now go to file, select tools, go to reports. The report window appears. Click on bill of material report. Make sure it's selected. Double click on it and select reports. You can see all the reports here. Scroll down. Now close the report window. Now go to display and status. The unplaced symbols and unrouted symbols both are in red with 82 unplaced symbols and 181 unrouted nets. Now to exit the file, go to file and exit. This is the end of lab 1. Now lab 2 ORCAD capture to PCB editor. Select start window. If the PCB editor is not currently running, start the PCB editor tool using ORCAD PCB designer. Open the master board design within the project 2 directory as shown. Now go to File, Import, Logic. The Import Logic menu appears. Click Design Entry CIS. In the import directory, navigate to Project. Navigate to Project 2, Electro, your import logic dialog box appears. Now click Import Cadence. The DECIS schematic is checked and imported. Now go to File, View Log, select Report. The report shows which components are currently in the database. Make sure there are no errors and warnings detected. Close out the report form. Select Display Status. The status indicator for unplaced symbols and unrouted nets should be both red with 82 unplaced symbols and 181 unrouted nets. Now save the file as unplaced.brd, and the file is saved as unplaced.board. Now exit. This is the end of lab 2. Now lab 3, netlist from ORCAD capture to PCB editor. Start the ORCAD capture tool. Go to Design Entry CIS. Now go to File, Open, and select the project. Go to Release. Now select the release.dsn design file. Go to Tools, Create Netlist. Then Create Netlist form appears. Select the PCB Editor tab. Make sure the input board file and output board file are in project 2. Enable the open board in ORCAD PCB editor option. Then click OK. As it is a demo mode, select No. And save as all. Start the PCB editor if it is not currently running. Go to place manually. You can see the components placed. Here are the components by rough test. Click OK to close the window. No file. Save the file as unplaced board. Now at this point you can either exit from the PCB editor program by selecting file exit. This is the end of lab. Now lab 4, importing a third party netlist. Opening the master board file. Go to PCB editor. Open the master board design from project directory. Select yes and then OK. Now go to file, view log, import logic, and go to others. In the import net field, enter third party.txt. Click import other. Now go to file, view log. A log file window appears. Scroll the log file to view it further. There should be no warnings and no errors. Make sure they are 0 errors and warnings. Now close the window. Go to display status. The status indicator for unplaced symbols and unrouted nets should be both red, with 82 unplaced symbols and 181 unrouted nets. Make sure they are placed. Now save the file as unplaced.brd. Click save to save the unplaced board file in the project directory. Select S. At this point you can either exit from the PCB editor program by selecting file exit. This is the end of lab 4. Thank you for watching the video.